How to make money on people per hour as an Excel spreadsheet guru. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create a profile where you're going to showcase your own skills for clients or for business owners or for the visitors of the platform that are looking for someone with similar skills like yours to hire them to save their time, and from them saving their time you will get a job to work on. So for example, I'm going to show you some freelancers that are doing the same skill like yours in this platform. So here I'm going to enter spreadsheet guru. I'm going to enter Excel spreadsheet guru. And we're going to search to see some freelancers like you. So here we have a lot of profiles in the platform and they're doing the same skill like yours, as you can see, and they're getting paid from $60 per hour to $20, 10, 55, 15, 15 again, 75, $80. So you can choose your hourly rate based on your skills. As you can see, this one he's getting paid $300. So it's all based on your skills. So let's get to it, guys. Let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile as well. So go to your top right, click on the freelancer button, and here click on I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on the sign up button. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to enter my email and my password. And log in. And as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. And as you can see, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. And here, drop your profile picture, drop file here. Then you proceed to your job title. So as an example, you have here award-winning web developer, or we can go as Excel spreadsheet guru. And here you can enter your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So let's start with Excel. And here let's go with Microsoft Excel. Let's enter also spreadsheet. I think we don't have that in here. It's not that how it's written. Spreadsheets. Let's go again with spreadsheets as well. Google Spreadsheets. Google Spreadsheets application programming interface. That's not our skill. Let's go with Excel again. Microsoft Excel administrator. Make Excel again, and here we have Microsoft Excel Power Pivot, and then you proceed to your description. So here, describe yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to make a decent description for your profile, the thing I like to do is go into my competitors, the freelancers that are doing the same skill like mine in this platform, and give them a spin in their profile, check their profile, see their description, how much they're getting paid per hour, see their skills, to take some general information about them and get some inspiration on how you're going to set your profile. So here, let's go to the search box, click on search freelancers. open that in a new window in order to not lose the window that we have. And here, click on search freelancers, Excel spreadsheet guru, and click on search. And here we have our competitors, and we're going to check some of their descriptions. So this one is GaDB, and he has more than 16,000 views, and he got 637 sales out of those views. So I think he's a good Excel spreadsheet guru. And this is her description. It seems very organized, as you can see from the get-go. He has here his bullet points. The projects that he works on usually belong to one of the following industries. And the first thing that he starts his description with is, I've been working as an Excel consultant and a VBA programmer since 2003, supplying top-notch bespoke development and superb customer service are my main goals. I'm currently running my own Excel consulting business and looking forward to expand my client base. Please feel free to contact me for any development inquiries. My time is flexible and therefore I can telecommute with clients from around the world. So this is a decent description, and it's also a decent inspiration for us in order to take some notes on his organization to his description, and apply that to our description as well. But we're going to check another description to take as many ideas as we can. So here, let's see all offers. So there is something wrong. Let's go with Excel spreadsheet to see here some offers. So let's go with this one, who gets paid, but this is the one we saw before. Let's check another one, this one with $75, and his name is Chris. So here we're going to check Chris's description. This is also a good description. It's small and well organized as well. So that's enough for inspiration. After you're done with your description, then you enter your location and the languages that you can speak. After that, you enter your hourly rate, and you can change the currency in here as well. Then you click on submit application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.